Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nayak RC again. This video is going to be completely about VTOL. Previously we have built VTOLs, right? So this time we also had built a different VTOL. Like a higher configuration VTOL. Today we are going to see how do we fly a VTOL, how to assemble it on field, and what all components required for it, and how to do a mission planning. Come, let's see. So here we have the VTOL wing. We have our VTOL wing. So it's 1.5 meter wingspan, and we have 14-inch propellers. There is here a 3+ GPS module. So that is my transmitter. Coming over here, this is my fuselage. This is completely made out of Coroplast. This VTOL was completely designed by team Nayak RC for R&D purposes. We are going to test different sensors in this VTOL. So here you can see Pixoc orange cube, and we have our plane motor. So let's assemble this and go for a test flight. So yeah, I'm using a 7000 mAh 6 cell LiPo battery for this VTOL. Guys, let's assemble. Bring the wing. Guys, now VTOL has been assembled. Now I'm powering on the battery. Please turn on the transmitter. So whenever you are going to turn on your any type of drone, transmitter should be turned on first. Okay. Make sure your transmitter is turned on and your throttle stick is down. Now I'm connecting the main power. Once you connect your drone, just leave it on the flat ground for at least 30 to 40 seconds so that it gets initialized. You can see all the other lights which is displaying on the GPS module. Once you hear that confirmation beep, that is when it says that everything is fine, all the connections are good and everything is perfect. All the motors have been getting proper power and signal inputs. Okay, so let's close the hatch and go for a flight test mission. Okay, I'm going to attach the aircraft propeller, the fixed wing propeller. Okay, that sound indicates that aircraft is ready to arm and go for a mission. So before that, make sure all your propellers are tightened enough. Any cracks or any other things, you have to just find it out. Okay, checking all the propellers, checking all control surfaces physically whether they are strong or not. All ailerons, elevators and stuff. Okay, once they all are done, I am going to go and check all the other control surfaces via remote. I am checking all my control surfaces using remote. So I am in Q loiter mode initially. In Q loiter mode, I should get aileron and elevator, which I am getting. I'm going to see FBWA mode. FBWA mode. Right aileron, left aileron, elevator up, elevator down, rudder left, rudder right. So everything is fine. Once all these connections are good, you have to also see your balancing of the aircraft. So the person who is holding the drone should tilt the drone towards roll towards right, roll it. So once you roll your drone towards right, the left aileron should go up, right aileron should go down. I am doing nothing with the remote. Okay, this is very important feature here. Right, once you roll your drone towards right, the left aileron should go up, right aileron should come down. Okay, roll left. Okay, working perfect. Level. Nose down. Okay, once the aircraft nose is tilted down physically, the elevator should go up automatically. That indicates all the connections are fine and good. Level. So guys, that's all. These are the only connections what we have to do. Now let's go for a mission flight and see how it performs. Guys, my whole quad plane is ready. It's firm, fixed, nothing is moving, all control surfaces, everything are fine, propellers are good. So I'm going to take a small quadcopter flight. Thereafter I will go for a small automation. Okay, let me get my remote. Okay, try to place the drone in a little flat surface. Okay, again, position, Q loiter, confirm. Okay, I'm taking a Q loiter test flight.
Ready to take off. Arming successful, checking disarming. Disarming successful.
Once you arm and disarm your aircraft, make sure you check all the propellers whether they are free or maybe having any debris or something. So if it is in place, remove them. Okay? Hope everything is clear. I'm going for a flight.
Okay, arming aircraft.
Loiter confirm.
Confirming. Loiter confirmed. Arming done.
Taking off.
Ready to take off.
Okay, landing.
Okay. Disarming. Disarmed.
Guys, all my quad system is working fine. Now I am going to do automation. Automation will be displayed on the screen below. One obvious and very important feature when you do your quadcopter or your fixed wing flight or any other drone, center of gravity is the most of the important concept. So before you go for a VTOL autonomous mission, please check your CG. There is a mission planned and I'm going to execute that mission. So it will take off, VTOL take off, convert to fixed wing, go to the particular waypoint at particular altitude, complete all the waypoint missions and come to the last point. From there it turns to RTL. RTL, it will come back in fixed wing mode to the home point, which is exactly above where the drone is standing. Okay, So it will be somewhere, it will be in 40 meters of altitude. It will come to that home point and take a small circle by reducing its altitude and speed, then convert to quadcopter mode and then land at the same spot. That is a complete mission what we are going to execute now. Ready? Okay, arm.
Arming aircraft. Arming successful.
Taking off manually.
Right.
Fire auto.
Shifting to auto. Auto accepted.
Auto mission has been fired. Converted to fixed wing. The drone is completely going in fixed wing mode. You can see all the propellers, quad propellers has been stopped. RTL has been fired. Now drone will reach altitude for 40 and come towards home point by maintaining a radius of 60 meters. It will take a circle. Drone has reached its home point. Trying to reduce the altitude. Quad mode has been engaged. Drone has reached its home point. Now it will start descending. Drone has completely completed its autonomous flight mission. So after completing the RTL mode, it came towards home point, took 2 loiter rounds in fixed wing mode to reduce its speed and altitude. Then once it reduced its speed and altitude, then it converted into quad mode and descended and landed exactly the same point where we took off. Guys, you have seen a completely autonomously developed VTOL drone by Nayak RC team has been test flown and completed its mission and landed successfully here. Well, if you want to learn any technology or you want any custom made drone, you can contact me. I'm here available. My contact number is in the description as well as on my YouTube channel main page. You want to learn technology in VTOLs, you want to learn flying, fixed wing flying or VTOL flying, you can contact me. Guys, also let me take a moment and appreciate one of my designer. He is Nagasai. He completely designs all my drones and all my projects over here. He is an industrial grade CAD designer as well as analysis expert. In coming days, in coming videos, I'm going to add a playlist on my YouTube channel where you can find him teaching all the basics of designings and all the other functions, how you design an aircraft, how you design a drone, what are its implications, how to do analysis. All those videos are also going to be coming up. So this guy will be posting all the videos into that one. So that is also a point I wanted to mention in this video. You can contact me for any sort of design you are looking for or any complex analysis you are looking for in industrial grade drones or any other.
So this is all about a prototype. We design it, analyze it a lot, and then we build it and test fly it. Okay, let's meet you guys in the design videos later. And
guys, that's what you see, a complete design. It's a complete prototype system We design it first in the CAD software, then we prototype it, then we analyze it, then we fabricate it with real materials as you see here, and we test fly it. So this gives us a complete picture how the dynamics and how all the functions and how all the parameters of this VTOLs or any kind of drones work in real time. Hope you guys like this video, and please do share, subscribe, like and support me so that I can come up with all different type of projects and explain you how all these projects are made.